Hi everyone, I'm Akshad Agrawal and I'm working into the space of data science, analytics and AI from quite a long time. And I have worked, as a trainer with different organizations. According to my experience, nowadays AI tools are not an option to adopt. AI tools are a must to be adopted by everybody, whether you are into, technical domain, non-technical domain, whether you are a student or a trainer or working into the corporate industry or any of the field. There are a lot of AI tools which we need to learn, understand, and use into our day-to-day lives to boost our productivity and increase our effectiveness. So taking that into consideration, in this video we are going to discuss about creating presentation through AI absolutely free of cost. And trust me, effective presentation, well designed presentation with really good content, and hardly in 5 to 10 minutes. Of course, that presentation will be AI generated, so you have to use your own experience and expertise to enhance it, maybe to manipulate a bit, or most important, to verify the content, right? So for that, we are going to use an application called Gamma. So just write gamma.app on Google. So you'll be seeing such a website. This is Gamma AI, very popular tool for presentation, right? So if you are starting it for the first time, so start for free. Or if you have created an account, so I have created an account, so I will go to login. But if you have not done this anytime, so just sign up and use any of your Gmail ID to sign up. So let's say I will say continue on Google, continue with Google. Let's say I try this email ID. I do not remember that whether I have used it in Gamma or not, but let's see. Okay, awesome. So I signed up through that website, sorry, through that email. Right. So this is the front page of Gamma. I am going to use Gamma for, let's say, education or for personal use. You can choose any of them, consultant, and how many people, just me. What do you? So here I'll choose create presentations from scratch, turn my notes into presentation, whatever options you want to choose, right? And then we will go to next, continue, right? Let me just put myself here. Correct. So click on continue. Then how did you hear about us? Let's say LinkedIn or any of the option, right? This is the important option which we have to see. So see, there are three options: generate, paste in text, create from template, and import file. So let's say you import file, you will choose import file option whenever you have already created a presentation through ChatGPT, or you already have some of the previous presentation. You want to just enhance it, beautify it through Gamma. Paste in text, you will just you have some text, you have some rough idea about that presentation, about the content to be used in that presentation, and you want Gamma to use that text as an outline, as the base, and create the presentation on top of it. Then you have generate option. So let's say right now I do not have any outline or anything, I just want to generate presentation. So here you can generate presentation, web page, document, social things, right? But right now my goal is to create a presentation. In free of cost, Gamma will give you 10 slides, right? So if you have to create more slides, let's say 40, 50 slides, so you can create such three or four presentations of 10 slides each, and then you can finally combine it, right? So here we have to give a really good prompt. Correct. So let's say I go to ChatGPT and I have given this prompt. So I just gave ChatGPT my idea that I want to create a good presentation on data analytics and business analytics of 10 slides. The target audience would be MBA in business analytics students. I want to motivate them enough to choose data analytics as a career option. So I have just given ChatGPT enough context and a good enough prompt so that it can create me a final prompt to give to Gamma. Correct. So it is writing here is a ready to copy prompt that you can directly paste into Gamma to generate the high impact presentation. So see here, it has given me a really good prompt for Gamma. Create a visually modern, professional, and engaging 10-slide presentation designed for MBA students. It has given the design style requirement like icons, corporate theme, bold selection sections, everything. And it has given the slide structure and content. What content should be there in the next 10 slides. So what I'll do now is I'll just copy this prompt, simply like copy, and go to Gamma. And here I will just paste the prompt, right? And I'll just remove these unnecessary lines, prompt for Gamma. And then I'll just remove the last line if you want. So this is from something which we need to remove from ChatGPT, of course. Correct. So of course, this is a very good detailed prompt for Gamma. But even if you do not have sense to create this much prompt, it's absolutely fine. You can simply give the prompt to Gamma directly instead of ChatGPT. But I used ChatGPT so that I can create a well detailed prompt through ChatGPT to give to Gamma, right? And then from here, I'll just go to edit prompt. It will take you to the next page where we have to, finally, this is the prompt. And then here you can choose the different options, right? Language, output language is English or whichever language you want to choose. You can modify the tone here, like, the tone of the presentation. You like professional tone, casual tone, humorous tone, or something. And it should be written for MBA students specializing in, so who is this presentation for? Correct. Then you can choose different theme here, like whatever theme you like, this whatever. So let's say I just simply lavender theme I am choosing it. Then you image sources, the images to be used in that presentation will be taken from AI. Correct. And AI image model is like in Nano Banana Pro or whichever prompt AI model you want to choose. So I'll just like keep it as auto select only, let Gamma select it. Correct. And then we will click on generate. So see, it has started creating the presentation. So this is slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, 4, and up to 10 slides. So it is still creating it, right? So yeah, let it create it properly. You made your first Gamma, right? Great. So let's show me. And Gamma uses cards to contain content. Okay, every card is made up of editable blocks. Correct. So it is just giving us some information about Gamma, how does it work and all. Correct. So see, now what we can do is every of these text, images, everything is editable. So for example, in 2026, instead of that, I want 2027. So we can edit it. Correct. Let's say here, why MBA students should master data now. I want a question mark here. So everything is editable. Correct. And the kind of validation and verification which we have to do before taking this presentation live are these numbers. Correct. For example, it is like 328 million. It is 94%, $274 billion market size, whatever it is. These numbers should be validated. So I just want this here. And okay, so any kind of editing you want, you can do that here. So I just want to remove this icon for say, I want to remove this icon for say, so we can do that. Anything and everything is editable here. So this is the final presentation. Let's say we like it. I do not want to do any changes. If you want, you can do that. You can change the theme here, or you can do any kind of updates here, right? But let's say for me, this is okay. Then I just click on this present in this tab full screen if you want to present it to someone directly from here. Or else if I want to download it, so Gamma even allows us to download the presentation. Correct. How? Just go to share and click on export. Export to PowerPoint. Now your PPT will be downloaded. So it is taking some time. Let me pause the video. So it says your PowerPoint export is ready, and this is the presentation downloaded in our computer. So the presentation is downloaded, and since I'm using MacBook, so it is opening the presentation in Keynote. But if you're working on Windows laptop, it would be directly opened in PowerPoint, PPT, or and this is the final presentation with us. Now see how beautiful it has been created. Like everything, like through charts, graphs, everything. Now, if you want to edit some text, you make more, you want to make the size smaller, larger, or anything, you can do it in your PowerPoint presentation. Just a bit of modification, putting your expertise into use, and then we are good to go. For example, here we see these images are not downloaded. So this might be due to unsupported format, correct? So I can just replace these images. Like I can just remove this image and use the actual SQL logo here. Correct. Similarly, we can do any kind of changes in such slides. And most importantly, I'm repeating again and again, before taking this presentation live or to present to someone, a higher authority or management, just validate and verify the numbers, right? So that's all for this video. I hope आप लोगों को ये समझ आ गया होगा कि how do we create a presentation free of cost through Gamma. So this presentation is up to 10 slides, but similarly we can create 3-4 presentations and combine all the slides to make a larger presentation, right? So that's all. I hope आप लोगों को मजा आया होगा, आप लोगों ने कुछ सीखा होगा. So if you genuinely get some value from this video, please subscribe the YouTube channel The Dataholics, and like this video, share this video to your friends and colleagues who might get some help from this. That's all. Thank you so much.